Hey lads, TechScanning here. So finally the long-awaited folding phone duo from Oppo is almost here, and the brand announced that the both Oppo Find N2 and the Find N2 Flip will go official on 15th of December at 4 p.m. Chinese local time. Though there will be two foldable phones, but the clamshell Oppo Find N2 Flip is the one that is getting the most attention as it will rival the famous Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. So the Find N2 Flip will the Oppo's first clamshell phone, and fortunately its design is not undercover anymore thanks to leaked pictures and official teasers. Our reliable tipster IC Universe shared the hands-on images of the front look of the phone, and as you can see, at first it gives the glance of the Z Flip 4 but with almost no crease, which is incredible. Of course, a minimal crease will appear after some time, but we can surely say Oppo controlled it better than any other folding phone that we have so far. And as per the rumor, the phone has a water drop hinge, which is believed to be a major reason for the less visible crease. Oppo also released a couple of teaser videos revealing the back design of the Oppo Find N2 Flip, where a video showcased a big 3.2 inches cover display offering more vertical space, which I think will be more useful. Of course, Oppo will have to optimize the apps so the user can take full advantage of the outer screen. Luckily, not just the official video but a hands-on video just appeared online showing a user using the cover display of Oppo Find N2 Flip, and as we can see, it's fairly a big screen which can offer more and easy use case. The Oppo's first flip phone is set to come with a 6.8 inches Full HD Plus 120Hz OLED display, while the outer will be a 60Hz 3.2 inches OLED screen. There will be two camera sensors on the back, including 50 megapixel main and 8 megapixel ultra wide, while on the front it will house a 32 megapixel sensor in a punch hole style. And most likely user can use the main camera sensors for taking selfies like we can do with the Z Flip 4 and Moto Razr 2022 using the cover display. And we are not far away to see what the camera system is capable of compared to the other clamshells. According to a tip store, the Oppo Find N2 Flip will be powered by MediaTek 9000 Plus chipset, which will be accompanied by Oppo's in-house developed Silicon X chip for image processing. Another bright side of the phone that it will offer up to 12GB RAM, so can keep more apps running in the background and helps in quick multitasking. And here is the best part. The Oppo Find N2 Flip will offer a significantly bigger battery, that is 4300 mAh compared to the Z Flip 4 3700 mAh, and it's even bigger than the Samsung Galaxy S22. According to the IC Universe, Oppo will make its first clamshell phone globally available, so we can say soon Samsung is going to face serious competition. However, like the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4, Oppo Find N2 Flip will not have the IPX8 rating. For the price, as per the leaker, Oppo will offer its first clamshell phone cheaper than the Samsung's, which is a good and reasonable strategy. Alongside the Find N2 Flip, Oppo will also launch the second generation of horizontally folding phone, the Oppo Find N2. The brand has shared the official teaser video of the Find N2 showing a similar design to its predecessor. However, the new model will feature a new wagon leather finish and a new hinge mechanism. And last year we saw Oppo Find N impressively control the crease, so we can expect the Oppo Find N2 new hinge system will make it even less visible. So the upcoming Oppo Find N2 will have a folding screen size of 7.6 inches and a 5.54 inches cover display, and both are 120Hz E6 AMOLED panels. However, this folding phone will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. But what may get the attention of the folding phone fans, that Oppo Find N2 will be the lightest horizontally folding phone with a weight of under 240 grams, which means it is even lighter than the iPhone 14 Pro Max. One of the biggest challenges of the horizontally folding phones is the weight, so it's good Oppo took care of this area well. Anyway, we have already covered a good video on the Oppo Find N2, so if you want to learn more, click here. And that's it for now. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.